So Swadesh, we can start.
Okay, sir.
एक मिनट ना, एक मिनट, आई गेस हैंग हो गया है। स्वदेश एक मिनट रुक जा।
Very good afternoon and very warm welcome to Tata Do Big Forum. We are all logged in as a listen-only mode for 1 hour long webinar. It will be a 50 minutes of presentation followed by 10 minutes of question answer. In case you have any query, we request you to post your query or a question in the chat box or a question answer box visible on the right hand side of your screen. Now, going forward, we would like to have your opinion on some of our polls. So polls are visible on your again the right hand side of your screen under the column poll. The first poll is live on your screen. What are the top three trends that are currently impacting the industry? Digital transformation, COVID disruption, availability of finance, business continuity, or business growth / expansion. Request you all to please participate. It will help us to know you and your company better. You have 20 seconds to submit your opinion for this poll. Ten more seconds. Thank you very much. The second poll, which is live on your screen under the I can poll is is what are the top three area of investment for your company? Hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, upgrading infrastructure, operations, or marketing and sales. Sorry. Request you all to please participate. You have 15 seconds left. Thank you very much. The next poll, which is live on your screen, is which of the following Tata teleservice offering are you aware of? Collaboration solution, IoT solution, connectivity solution, cloud and SaaS, or security solution? Sorry. Request you all to please participate. You have 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you everyone for participating. Moving on, today we have Amit Chadda, who is Senior Manager Marketing, Tata Tele's Business Services, who will take up the session for today's Achievement Business Resiliency with Technology. Over to you, Amit.
So thank you, Swadesh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amit Chadda, and I will be taking you through modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solution. So just 1 minute, I will like to share my screen. So hope you are able to see my PPT. Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amit Chadda, and I will be taking you to modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solutions. So this is a very challenging time, and every organizations are facing a big time challenges to improve their operational efficiencies and growth. Also, the economy of organizations are disturbed due to the pandemic. But during this pandemic, telecom companies are playing a very critical role and enabling you to run your business efficiently, effectively during work from home or work from anywhere. Tata Tele Business Services is one of them. So I start with a code like in the long history of humankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise most efficiently have prevailed, said by Charles Darwin. You learn, you live, you evolve. Product needs to evolve in order to meet the rising needs of the market. So agenda for the day would be I will be talking about technology landscape, SME landscape, challenges faced by SMEs, followed by important that is smart solutions provided by Tata Tele Business Services, followed by question and answers if any. So basically we have the only thing that is constant is change. So we hear it often, and it's so often that we have stopped paying attention to it. So I have added one more phrase to it as a disruption. So now it's like the only thing that is constant is change and disruption, that is after this pandemic. What's happening to the has been happening to the SMEs? So what are the key technologies or the trends which are enabling agility of SMEs? So key trends enabling agility of SMEs include BCP, that is business continuity plan for SMEs, cloud, and security. So most of the SMEs are, being on the cloud services. Also, they are for the security services. As most of the people are working from home, so data needs to be secure. So redefining the business continuity plan for the SMEs. First is lower business interruption costs. All the SMEs want lower business interruption costs. They want to act according to the plan. They want to resume their operations immediately. They want to fulfill the regulatory compliance. Also, as I said, security is critical as most of the people are still working from home. Not full 100% of them are working from office, and create an integrated risk management system within themselves. So business challenges due to COVID-19 pandemic. So business challenges include employee tracking. So keeping a track on employees to follow work from home protocol, collaboration, unable to connect distance team member face to face, unable to connect to the customers face to face, accessibility to servers of the applications, so unable to access office data, servers applications, physical travel to office iMobile, that is unable to access office infrastructure, lack of security, accessibilities to voice infrastructure, unable to access PBX infra, voice regulation, etc. So these are the challenges due to COVID-19 pandemic. So it wasn't disruption if you are ready for it. Disruption is coming, the difference between panic and poise is preparation. By going digital, you give your organization the ability and agility to turn disruption into opportunities. So the companies who were digital, who were using digital means were the companies who were less impacted rather than the companies who were not at all on digital platform. So digital adoption by Indian SMEs. So smart digital adoption is the key to unlocking the full business potential of SMEs. So 43% of the SMEs use various internet platforms to sell and promote themselves. SMEs in India believe that digital adoption is the key of their success. That is 75% of the SMEs believe that digital adoption is the key of their success. 73% of the Indian SMEs are confident of bouncing back post-COVID. And this particular data has come from SMEstreet.in. So 5 simple guidelines on technologies for SMEs. First is rent it, do not own it. When I say rent it, do not own it, because obsolescence is a huge burden and technology is not a real estate which will appreciate. Second is select fit for purpose versus scale down large solution, because SME needs are unique and simple. SME business process evolve constantly. Bill as you grow, pay as you use. Unused capacity is costly. Use your capex to grow your core business and look for integrated solutions versus silo of products. In general, the cost of integration is 10x the cost of the product, and owners will be on you to ensure everything fits together. And last and important, ensure there is support, as IT talent is expensive, and ensure your support is linked to your spends and it is not at the fixed cost. So moving on to the next slide, that is smart solutions. So what does smart solutions mean to you? So smart solutions are basically the product and services provided by Tata Tele Business Services. So just to give you a background about Tata Tele Business Services, so we have 60,000 plus connected buildings. We have 1,60,000 plus partner marketing managers. We have 1,25,000 plus kilometer of optical fiber. We have 1,000 plus strong enterprise team. We have 40,000 plus business customers. And all these buildings, majority of the buildings, you can say 50,000 plus buildings are connected to the fiber network. So moving on to the product portfolio. So we consider the product or the smart solution product portfolio consists of connectivity, security solutions, collaborations, cloud and SaaS, marketing solutions, and IoT solutions. In terms of connectivity, we have internet lease lines, MPLS VPN, L2 multicast, SmartOffice, PRI, SIP, MPLS VPN. Then we have smart internet. For security, this is the recently we have added. It is email security, endpoint security, virtual firewall, multi-factor authentication, web security. For collaborations, we have international bridging, webcasting, and conferencing services. Then for cloud and SaaS, we have managed hosting, secure connect, hosted IVR, co-location. And recently we have started our product called as Smart Flow, which is our cloud communication suite for voice solution. Then we have marketing solutions like call register services, digital survey, hosted IVR, IoT solutions like asset management, fleet management, school bus tracking, and workforce tracking as well. So so now I'm not going to talk about all the product and services. I'm going to talk about a few of them which can be, useful in the current scenario. So first product is smart internet. So most of us know what is internet. So basically in the current scenario, that is work from home scenario, we have started providing this service. So we are providing internet along with the UTM, that is Unified Threat Management, and providing security as well, along with a VPN client. So this particular product is called as Smart Internet. So you can enjoy uninterrupted secure internet connection at home/office. So you get a smart secure VPN along with remote access from home and commitment of 99.5% SLA. So smart internet, recently we have started smart internet considering work from home. So there were a lot of organizations who were not able to access their office internet during work from home. So we can provide them with end-to-end solution wherein we are provisioning ILL along with a UTM and VPN client. And once the infrastructure is in place, then the work from home users can access all the office internet application because you will be getting security along with internet lease lines. So smart internet features like one-stop solution for all your need of bandwidth. It is manageability, work from home, and scalable. It gives you guaranteed peace of mind in terms of financial and business benefits due to technical capabilities. Freedom from worries like difficulty in ownership, deployment, router management, configuration. Everything is managed by Tata Tele Business Services. Product features like provide secure VPN access, user authentication, plug and play. It is easy to install. Next generation GUI enhances and manage security. In terms of finance, zero capex, high return on investment, and it reduces the operational cost. And for business, it is business continuity. When I say business continuity, it is work from home or work from field or on the go. This is scalable as per business needs, and this is a future ready product. So smart internet, so smart digital adoption is the key of unlocking the full business potential of SMEs. So a smart internet is bundled with UTM with no additional cost. It is cost effective, that is affordable. Monthly rent starts with 249 per user, totally scalable. It starts with 15 users and can go up to 5,000 users. It has wide range of bandwidth. It is available for all bandwidth from 10 Mbps to 500 Mbps as a standard offering. It has feature rich with zero capex, no capex investment, and comes with the security of UTM. This is plug and play and easy to install and support laptop and mobile as well. So just to give you a case study, so basically Rayan has a global presence. So it's a shipping management company. It has a global presence with across to world, giving customers 24/7 365 capabilities. The company is into ship management and marine operation solutions. So they wanted a reliable remote access solutions by which they can connect to their international clients as well as office locations in India to serve the needs in the timely manner. So how TTBS help was, so with our smart internet, which is a complete solution comprising of remote access, managed services, and security features backed by UTM, they evaluated our expertise in the providing cutting edge solutions in this space and deployed remote access for their employees to keep them update every minute as for their customers. So smart internet is basically internet along with security features, and through which you can use your official work as well because you get VPN client as well. So moving on to the next product that is called as basically a smart office. So smart office, or you can say one box solution for business. So smart office is basically a small box which can provide you with voice, data storage, and application. When I say this particular box, so this is one box startup which gives you voice, data, Wi-Fi, office application, business applications, firewall, toll-free number, and this particular box is IoT enabled box as well. So in the current scenario, if you are setting up a new office, so it is not so easy to set up a new office, because for setting up a new office, you require hardware for storage, you require data and information security. You have to start with broadband, and then depending upon size of your employees, you can go for either you can upgrade the broadband or you can go for internet lease lines, depending upon the size of business you are having. You also require equipments, router, Wi-Fi, PBX, LAN, etc. Also, you require a best quality of data and voice, which is getting expensive nowadays. Office business applications you require, and you also require a specialized IT resource to manage all this. So the smart office value proposition, it is one-stop solution for communication and application needs. So when I say one-stop solution, because you get voice, data, Wi-Fi, office application, business application, and this is IoT enabled box. So you get everything in one particular box. This particular box is free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. This is an integrated solution. You don't have to pay any capex and no AMCs. And this is a future ready product. So some of the features of call management are it has an inbuilt auto attendance, which deliver pre-recorded greeting message 24/7 to the customers. It also has voice recording solution within the box, which allows record all internal and external communication monitoring recording, which can help you to check your usage. It also has inbuilt voicemail. Caller can leave their recorded message if the call extension is unanswered, so no business call is missed, which gives you increase in productivity. Also, call management, host of standard PBX calling features like call forwarding, call conferencing, waiting transfer, etc. So SmartOffice value proposition, it has best of both the worlds. When I say both the worlds, it is IP as well as analog phones. So um, SmartOffice supports 96 telephone extensions, wherein 32 extensions are analog extensions, wherein you can connect your analog phone instrument, and rest 64 extensions are IP extensions, and you can connect IP phone, whether it's a soft phone or a hard phone. So some of the devices used are IP phones, analog phones, video phones, smartphones, and PC and laptops. So basically, this particular box, that is SmartOffice, you only have to pay for the services, that is data and voice services. So whatever bandwidth you are using, you have to pay for that particular services. And same way goes for the voice. So you have to pay for the number of channels you are looking for. So this SmartOffice fulfills the need of new startups, so who's upgrading from broadband, and new branch setups, that is business upgrading their legacy hardware and software. So this particular product is called a Smart Office, which will give you voice, data, business application, and this is an IoT enabled box. So you can use it for other things as well. Moving on to the next product, that is toll-free services. So there are two types of toll-free numbers available in India. That starts from 1800 and 1860. So 1800 is full toll-free number, while 1860 is a partial toll-free number. So you need to pay for the local call charges. So call free, that is free for the customers, full cost to the company. It is 1800 number series. The call local, that is local call cost to the customer per minute as per agreement cost to the company, that is 1860 number series. So some of the features of toll-free services are it has a geography-based point of call routing. Then we have time-based routing, which manages time and day distribution accurately. You also have proportionate call distribution, condition-based routing, and pin-based routing. So why to use our toll-free services? So we have a pan-India coverage. We provide 24/7 monitoring by our network operating center and our state-of-art digital network, which allows quick and easy rerouting during emergencies. So these are all about toll-free services. So enabling a communication setup. So there were, at the time of COVID scenarios or pandemic, so there were questions like how do we set up a distributed call center quickly? How do we mask calls of the employee calling clients from their personal numbers? Face-to-face interactions have reduced. How do we connect better with the clients? So these were the questions which were coming in the mind. Okay. So TTBS has developed some solutions. So we are having a solution called as hosted IVR, which can work for features are like you can work from anywhere, and it gives you a better ROI than on-site. It is easy to scale up and down, and you get a reports and clients compliance within a click of a button. So hosted IVR is a very good solution for work from home. By using these solutions, you can make and receive calls during work from home. We can provide toll-free number or TN which your customers can dial, and call can be directly routed on your mobile phone. So generally, this solution is used for customer care type of setup, but we have done some customization and enabled it for work from home scenario. So hosted IVR or interactive voice response is a cloud-based voice application that allows business to efficiently connect with its customers. Like press 1 for sale, press 2 for support, and press 3 for billing. So features of hosted IVR basically are like it can be set up. You can set up a cloud-based IVR within an hour's time. So features are seamless customer connect, dynamic call routing, call hunting, and analytics. So you can track team's performance, call quality, missed calls to real-time analytics. When I say seamless customer connects, agent can receive customers' call on their mobile while working from home. Also, you get a dynamic call routing, like termination number can be changed in few seconds of the phone. And TTL USP is providing iServe web portal wherein you can route different kind of routings by your own and don't have to depend upon TTL. So this particular product is called as hosted IVR. So just to give you an example, so basically this is an engineering company, um, a company like a global design and engineering services company. The company was looking to switch from desk-based to uh, cloud-based IVR to help their employee with the IT scenario in the current work from solution. So earlier we used to have the desk-based phone wherein we can dial the customers and the call was routed to the customers, and we don't have to dial from our phone. But after the pandemic, when we are working from home, we have to use your own phones, or you need to mask the calls. So this company basically was looking to switch from the desk-based to a cloud-based IVR. So how TTBS helped, or the TTBS which they provided a solution was, first they discovered that system to provide support on 24 by basis with two separate shift timings, because this company was running on two different shift timings, that is AM to 8 p.m. and then again 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. So we designed and provided customer with separate call hunting groups. Morning shift, the call is routed to one group of number, and evening the call is routed to the other group of number. Deployment was done very fast because it can be deployed within an hour's time. So deployment was fast to meet the customer's deadline, and the benefits which customer got was business continuity during work lockdown, better employee sat because employees were working from home, and they were able to call the clients from their mobile number that is on the masking, and their number was not getting displayed. And this is a efficient and cost effective solution. So this particular product is called as hosted IVR. So moving on to the next and the important section, that is a security solution. So in security solutions, uh, why cyber security is required? It's required because of while browsing net, while protecting company servers, while checking emails, or while working from home. So we have a product called as endpoint security for this. So I will be talking about later. So there has been a rise of cyber attacks since COVID-19, that is outbreak. BSE warns market. BSE has also warned about cyber attacks amid coronavirus lockdown. Checkpoint researcher discovers hackers pushing coronavirus app to take over the Android device. So why cybersecurity is required? So it is required because to protect your applications and hardwares. So we have full suite of cybersecurity solutions which can help you to protect your applications, uh, um, email like laptop hardwares like laptop, mobile phones, and servers. So components of the security offering, one is in terms of products, we have data security, we have endpoint, we have network security. In terms of services, we have consulting, we have implementation, testing, and incidents response management. So components of the solution, basically components of the security solution, one is a software application, then it comes to analytics, administrative portal, and cloud hosting. So we have multiple operating system supports. Analytics, we provide you with security reports, user group reports. Administrative portal, you have a policy management portal. You get single view of health status of all your devices in one go. And cloud hosting, we give you a real-time discovery and patch management solution. So product feature set. So basically, we are talking about endpoint security. So endpoint security is very important for every organization to protect their assets during work from home. So endpoint security can play a great role here. So it is kind of an antivirus software, but it is more than a antivirus. So it can also work as a soft firewall and configure firewall policy. So generally in work from home, there is no firewall. Hence, this is a very effective and solution. It's very effective and cost effective as compared to other solution. So this particular product is called this endpoint security. So features of endpoint security are a device supported. It is supported by Windows PC, that is laptop servers, also Mac OS laptop, Apple iOS, and smartphones, Android smartphones. Some of the features of endpoint security are it is antivirus, you get anti-spyware, anti-ransomware, component updates, firewall, URL filtering, full disk encryption, role-based administration, unauthorized change prevention services, and device control. So this particular product, that is Endpoint, is powered by Trend Micro. So basically, Tata Telebusiness Services has Tata Telebusiness Services are collaborating with the Trend Micro, because we want all the solutions under one umbrella, that is TTBS umbrella, and the customers, should have one vendor for all the ITC needs. So moving on to the example, like a quick comparison of the other service providers. So if you see Dubig, that is Tata Telebusiness Services Endpoint Security Solutions. So all the features we are providing at a competitive rates. So moving on to the next solution, that is SmartFlow. So SmartFlow is our cloud-based telephony solutions, which we have recently launched. And this is 100% hosted solution. When I say 100% hosted solutions, so you don't need any infra that is required, like EPBX, physical connectivity, like PRI, SIP trunk at your office. You can save your infrastructure cost here. All the features generally you get or use in case of in-house setup, all are available in SmartFlow. You can make dial out call to the customers. You can receive incoming call from the customers. Call transfer, call whisper, call bargain feature is also there. Also, we support API integration so that you can integrate this with your applications like CRM, SMS, WhatsApp, etc. We are also offering multiple level IVR and call broadcasting by this proposition. All the incoming and outgoing calls can be recorded for audit purpose. You can find a complete CIDR report and missed call information. So this is a very good solution for work from home solution. So why to have SmartFlow? So because SmartFlow is our cloud telephony solution, which is 100% hosted solution. So anytime, anywhere communication, it allows business mind to go further from their cubicles, because this is a cloud solution. You can use this. You don't require a wired, or you don't require any PRI connectivity or SIP trunk at your office. So you can move as you have the internet. So it allows business minds to go further from the cubicle. It frees employee from their desk. All employees to communicate on the go. It reduces operational and capital costs. No bulky infrastructure and storage, only cloud and phone. Work across devices from landlines to smartphones. No infrastructure and maintenance cost. Enterprise grade security and reliability. RESTful API features, click to call and number masking. Business continuity with 99.5% uptime. Customizable and admin portal and access rights. It is on-demand scalability, ultra flexible, enables you to adapt quickly, work efficiently in changing business conditions, get business intelligence, so reports and analytics to track the agents of the project reports, call notes, live calls, and data insights, voice to text key mapping, and with the sentiment analysis, enhance customer experience, provided seamless and frictionless customer experience, AI which manages call routing with smart IVR menu. So SmartFlow, so again, why to have SmartFlow? So some of the features, like it gives you inbound solutions. For inbound, we have toll-free number, that is multiple IVR, virtual numbers, CRM integration, extensions-based routing, user input and API integration, click-to-call solutions, click-to-call from panel or website, OTP-based calling, number masking, outbound with call transfer to agent and call patching, missed call solutions, SMS-based services, OTP-based calling, missed call with outbound integration, OBD solution, that is DTMF-based outbound blast, unlimited routing level integration of outbound and inbound flows. So why to have basically this particular product is our cloud telephony solution and 100% hosted solution, and no infra required like EPBX and physical connectivity like PRI and SIP trunk at your office. And you can save a huge infrastructure cost here. So some of the features or benefits are innovative product, best reach, bundle services, best SLA, and transparency, that is self-care total. Moving on to the next product, that is Zoom. So everyone are aware of what Zoom is. So Zoom has collaborated like Tata Telebusiness Services and Zoom. We have partnered with Zoom again to give you a solution for all the SMEs to get the ICT solutions under one umbrella, or you can say one umbrella wherein you get all the services, right from connectivity to collaboration to marketing solutions to voice connectivity. So everything. So some partnerships are game changing, as I said, Tata and Zoom. So basically, as a leading service provider of digital solution, Tata Tele Business Services has a deep understanding of customer needs in the SME and enterprise segment. And our partnership with Zoom will provide business with highly unified communication solutions and enabling them to collaborate efficiently and forge more meaningful relations with the ecosystem. With this solution, business can put all their communication concern to us and rest and gain access to the best of both the worlds, that is, including trusted services and user-friendly interface and a robust security. So Zoom solutions. So basically, two types of suites are there. One is Zoom meeting, and second is Zoom webinar. Zoom meeting, as you know, one-to-one, face-to-face calling on digital platform. Zoom webinar. So you can host online events with up to 100 interactive video participants and 10,000 plus attendees. Automatically records events for use and publish. Broadcast your event on social media. Integrate with marketing automation to do's to simplify workflows and enjoy unlimited audio for VoIP and global, that is dial in toll free, applies for 120 plus countries. So this particular webinar is also been done on Zoom webinar. So advantages are one shop for SMEs. So Tata Tele Business Services has a range of services, solutions, and offering which empowers SME and help them accelerate and digital transformation journey. It has robust security which protects all your meetings with multiple layer of security. It has a trusted service. When I say trusted services, so it manages services and reporting by TTBS, which is comprehensive SLAs. User-friendly interface. It is simple and easy to use product and tool and seamless collaboration. So, so these are the advantages of Zoom collaborated or Zoom services. So some of the features, important features are like security. It protects all your meeting with multiple layer of security. Unlimited meetings. It operates with no constraint and schedule as many meetings as you want. It also gives you live transcriptions. It enables seamless cross-cultural interactions by using our in-meeting transcription feature that ensures participants are never separated by language barriers. Cloud-based recording. So recording can be stored either locally or via Zoom. Cloud-based storage facility. You get marathon meeting sessions. You also get a remote device control, that is allow a fellow participant to temporarily control your keyboard and mouse to facilitate complicated exchange and interactions over the web. Business intelligence, an array of tools ranging from call notes, reports, and analytics, which enables you to monitor and track the progress of your agents. Also, superior meeting experience with Zoom service device features, HD video, interactive meetings, background noise, and continual performance optimizations can be done, which results in superior meeting experiences. So these are the features of Zoom services. So that's it from my side. If you want any other updates, you can log into our website, that is www.tatatelebusinessservices.com, in which you will get all the detail, that is white paper. You can download white paper, case studies, videos, testimonies. Everything is there for the Tata in the website, that is tatatelebusiness.com. Also, you can subscribe us all at LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, if you don't know what kind of products will be of your interest, you can go and you can check, like if you select the IT/ITS, it will give you what all products we have for IT/ITS, same for manufacturing, same for education sector as well. So that's it from my side. Hope this smart solution will help you to improve your operational efficiencies and growth. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer you. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit sir. It was very informative and very well insight on the product line. Going forward, right now we don't see any question. Request you all participant, please post your question in the question box or in a chat box on the right hand side of your screen. Meanwhile, based on the presentation, there is a one last opinion poll which is live on your screen. As per the product that what has been showcased by Amit, Sir, these which of our product and solution will you be interested in future? Cybersecurity, IoT solution, voice connectivity, dedicated internet bandwidth, or Zoom? Request you all to please submit. Our team will be going to get in touch with you based on the interest on the product line. Thank you very much. Moving forward, as you know, feedbacks are very important, and it always help us to improve further. Keeping that in mind, there are a couple of feedback which will be again featuring in the section of poll on the right hand side of your screen. Can you just please rate us on the overall experience? You can rate us on excellent, good, average, poor. Request you all to please submit your feedback. It will going to help us to improve further. The next feedback, can you rate us? Rate us on the speaker inside the presentation given by Amit sir. Excellent, good, average, poor. You just please request you all to please submit your feedback. The next is on the product insight. Can you just rate us how well the product insight has been covered in our presentation? And the last, your overall experience of the virtual platform.